All right. In this video, we're going to do questions 33 to 37. And these are all based on percentages. Suppose that a luxury sales tax rate for a foreign country is 19%. A very wealthy socialite, socialite bought a diamond tiara for $244,000. How much tax does she pay? All right. The sales tax is 19%. That's going to be 19% of $244,000. So 19% of $244,000. Which means we're going to multiply these two numbers. But we must convert our percentage into a decimal. So we can write this as 0.19. And that's pretty simple. Take 19 divided by 100 to get 0.19. Or take your decimal at the end of the number and move it 2 spaces to the right. To the left, I mean. Can't tell my right from my left. And we're going to multiply that with $244,000. And whatever we get is the answer to the question. And that equals to $46,320. That is how much tax she has to pay. If it asked you for the total price, after you get your $46,360, not 20, Eric, you would then add that amount to the original amount. So then I'll be added with the original, which is 244,000. And this number right here will be how much it cost in total. But once again, it's just asking you for the tax. All right, let's move on to number 34. Juliet forgot to study for her test or for a test. Of the 180 questions on her test, man, why so many? She answered only 45% correctly. How many questions did she get correct? To find out the number of questions Juliet got correct, you must multiply. Rather, you must find 45% of 180. So the number of correct is equal to 45% of 180 questions. Convert your 45% into a decimal, 0.45, times that by 180, and that should equal to 81. I'm going to double check in a second, but I'm going to go with 81. Yep, 81 questions. All right, let's move on to number 35. It says Andrew has $19 deducted from his paycheck each week for health insurance. This amounts to be 4% of his gross income. What is his gross income? All right, so $19 is only 4% of his gross income. Let's write that down. $19 is equal to only 4% of his gross. We have to find what his gross income is. So let's rewrite this as a better equation. $19 equals to 4% as a decimal, which is 0.04. And his gross income, we can just call that to be X. To get X by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 0.04. That's gone. X is equal to 19 divided by 0.04. That's going to be $475. And that is the answer to the question. I made a parallelogram. All right. So far, so good. Next two questions. Heidi purchased a used car. She made a down payment of $1,089. This was 11% of the purchase price. What is the price of the used car? So it's saying that her $1,089 only equals to 11% of the cost. How much or what is the price of the used car? So $1,089 equals to 0.11 X, because we're trying to find the price of the used car. And then to find the price of the used car, we're going to divide both sides by 0.11. That cancels out. So therefore, X is going to equal to $9,900. So the cost of the car is $9,900, or rather price, almost 10 grand. All right, number 37. This one is one of my favorite ones. You buy $131 in clothes at a department store. You can choose between a coupon that offers $20 off your entire purchase or 25% off. Which will you save more money? By how much? All right, so we have two different approaches. Let's call this over here $20 off. And over here is going to be 25% off. Well, for the one that says $20 off, you're going to save $20. When it comes to 25% off, we first need to find what is 25% of our cost. So let's find 25% of $131. So let's multiply that. 0.25 times $131. 0.25 times $131. This is going to be equal to $32.75. So you're going to save with 25% off $32.75. Which will you save more money? The first question is going to be the 25% off. So I'm going to write it in blue. You will save more money with 25% off. It says by how much. To find out by how much you're going to save, let's put that part in red. By how much? Just subtract the $32 $12.75 minus the $20 off the other one. And that equals to you saving $12.75, almost $13. And that is the answer to this part. By how much? You will save more money with the 25% off coupon by $12.75. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You liked it. It's useful to you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.